You can install a pre-hung door quickly and easily with just a few steps. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to hang a door. After removing your old door and frame, slide the pre-hung door into the rough opening until the jamb is flush with the wall. Adding shims ensures the jamb is plumb. Start by shimming and leveling the head jamb. Then shim the sides, taking care around the hinges and latch, as this will help you later when nailing. Check that everything is level and straight. Drive 2 framing nails through the frame, through the shims, and into the studs. Next, drive 2 nails through each shim about 1 inch from each edge of the jamb, with one about 1/2 inch above the other. Then set the framing nails. Nail the trim to the jamb and studs. Drive finishing nails through the trim and into the studs behind the wall, spacing the nails about 16 inches apart. Trim any exposed shims by scoring them with a knife, then break along the line. Next, cut and install the trim on the second side of the door. Once the door is hung, screw the hinge leaf to the door edge. Repeat with the other 2 hinges. Finally, attach the door plates and doorknobs. Add the lock set and strike plate. Now you're done, and you can boast the newest update to your space. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.